colleague of mine introduced me to a new Chrome extension that I hadn't heard of before called Embed YouTube Videos in Gmail. It's by Cloud HQ. So here I am in the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to just install it real quickly to my Google Chrome account. In this case, I'm in my personal account because I've already installed it on the school account as soon as I saw it. But basically, after you set it up and run it through, this is kind of what it's going to look like. You're going to be able to see inside of Gmail this new Cloud HQ logo. You'll also get to see this new portion over here in your toolbar that just says to embed a YouTube video. You can go ahead and now attach that directly inside. So I'm going to create a quick account. All right, so I've linked my account for Embed YouTube, and now I have a Tech Tip Tuesday ready to go here. And I want to make sure that I have a YouTube video right up in the middle of the letter rather than linked at the bottom. So click on that link to YouTube. I'm going to go to all videos and search for Embed YouTube video and do a quick search. And I found the one that I wanted. It's going to pop directly into the email, just as you see, all snugged up, and it even gives a little bit of information and gives me the link to get to it if I needed to and who the author is. So at least I get to cite my source here. But now the video will appear directly in the middle of my email rather than linked and looking like almost like an attachment at the bottom. I like this, especially when you're going to be going over certain things. People need to watch a video, then go to something else and watch a video and go to something else. Embedding it makes it so much easier than linking and having people go in and out. This keeps everything nice and tidy all in one area.